Hola, ¿cómo está? We have made it to Maroma. This is the beach area here. We're getting ready to do the catamaran today out in the ocean and do some snorkeling, so it should be a really good time. We just took a bus that took us all the way here, got through the line. We were actually the first on the bus over there, and so we were the first off the bus, and so we've already been through all the security lines and everything to get in here, and we're getting ready to hit the beach over here for a little bit and then get on the catamaran. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go. Okay, I see the whole team over here already. Let's go over here and check them out. Here they are. They're already going. Here we go.
Here we are. Scott's put his contacts in. He's ready to.
I'm ready. Let me grab this right here. Gotcha. So, over here's where we're going to grab some lunch later today. So we'll grab lunch over there. That'll be a nice little spot. Everybody's getting a little early morning beverage here.
I'm about ready to take her out.
Okay, here we are on the catamaran, heading out to sea. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Look at the water today. Absolutely crystal clear. I got the whole team over here. Woo! Hey guys!
Walk in.
All right, we're going in here.
Hold your mask. Take a step. No.
Woo. Woo. Hey, bud. Lift your legs and move forward. Guess what? Oh my God. Early. Yeah!
Yeah, that stingray was pretty cool too.
Mira mamá, un TV.
you one?
Get this, Scotty.
I got it.
Here we are.
There we go. Get it in there. Woo!
Wow, wow,
Ah, yeah.
wow.
Woo! Yeah! Do it. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Choke him out. Choke him out. Woo!
Mexican water. Yeah.
It's just water. It's just water.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's
spicy
good.
water. Sweet Caroline. The time never seems so blue. So good, so good, so good.
Okay, here we are. Woo! That was fun. Got some good snorkeling in. Look over there, people hanging out on the beach. That's nice. Okay, here we are. White sand beaches. The whole team just got off the catamaran. There's Emily. Woo! What a beautiful day. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. It's not hot. Feels great. Beautiful weather. Okay, a little bit of lunch here on the beach. Nice little plate here.
Right? And then there's chimichurri on the chicken and beef.
Burger, tacos, potatoes. Got the whole team here. Excelente. Excelente. Get it, Brenda. Woo.
Sorry, trying to get space.
Get it.